Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to show you my high pressure aeroponics setup here for my cloners. These are basically two easy cloners that have 24 sites without the manifold or the pump, which I ordered from Amazon. You can get these just the reservoir and the top without having to buy the manifold or anything. So I modified them to hold two high pressure misters on each end, and these clones react really well to it. And as you can see here in the root system, there's a lot of nice healthy white roots here, and this is about 8 days, and you can see in the back there's one of the misters there. And here I also put a black stopper where the misters are so I can do maintenance or unclog them if they do get clogged for any reason, so they're easy to pull in and out. On my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how I mix the nutrients and what kind of nutrients I use so I can get my clones to root in about 4 to 5 days. If you guys have any questions, just leave a like, a comment. Please like and subscribe to see more high pressure systems.